Um, what happened last night? Oh my goodness. Wow. Huomenta. Excuse my wake up look, but as you can see, snowstorm last night. It was so windy. I am curious what it will look like outside because this is the backyard and I haven't gone out today. So I'm thinking maybe we can go to take a walk together and let's see how snowstorm has done with the neighborhood. I always feel like a big marshmallow when I put this on. But it is so warm. I like it. Let's go take a walk. By the way, I changed the beanies and put on this reflector. This time of year, you will most often need this kind of reflector because it's dark outside most of the time. But it doesn't stop you from doing activities or things outside. But I'm not sure do I need it right now because it's still bright outside. But we're going to put it anyway. Safety first. I never walked this way before, so it's nice to see different scenery or neighborhood. My face is getting numb. It's nice to take a walk outside. It's very refreshing. The air is so fresh, but of course it is cold. I'm actually on the way to pick up my book. It is a locker picked up. I made a video about it. I will leave the link for you in case you're interested. But yeah, most of the locker are at the supermarket. In this case, it is at Go-market. So basically there's two main big supermarket group. It's S group, which is Prisma, and K group, which is the Go supermarket or Go market. I don't know if you can hear me. This look like a Christmas tree. It's called Kuusi. But anyway, I ordered a book again from Breeze. Because for some reason I think they are the only bookstore that has the international book. Not only the bookstore, I think there's another one also, but Breeze is a lot more affordable. So that's why I keep ordering from Breeze. We are here at the Go market. I got the book. Apparently you have to ask the cashier. They don't have the locker. I thought it was a locker, but apparently it's not. I think it's called like picked up point, but they will give you a code anyway, so you have to give that code to the cashier and you will get the package. Why I'm so excited for the snow, I don't know why, but it just looks so different and it's just feels so magical somehow. Now I have to walk back. It makes the walk even more enjoyable. Does this feel like you actually walk with me? I used to watch a video where people walk around the city, and it just made me feel like I actually present at that location with them. So let's hope you feel the same. And I ran out of story to talk, so it's going to be a quiet walk. Bear with me. Or maybe I can put like a music so you can enjoy. In Finland, you will see this roundabout everywhere, literally everywhere, because if they don't use this roundabout, there will be a lot of traffic lights, and this way kind of decrease the traffic rates. So be aware if you are planning to visit here, want to rent a car. There will be lots of roundabout. I actually feel a little bit hot now because I have 2 layers inside and then this puffy marshmallow winter jacket. Look at the view. I don't know if you can see much from that, but it looks beautiful. Oh, it's like a scene from a movie. It reminds me of the Twilight. I feel like soup today, so I'm going to make some soup. Probably chicken soup. I want to get this glöggi so much, but I made a pact to myself that I will not drink glöggi until the beginning of December. I have to be strong.
Lue tuote tai valitse näytöllä olevista vaihtoehdoista.
Hey. People often say "Kitti hei" or "moi moi" when they left the supermarket or after they pay for the order. Most often say to the cashier because you pay the order with the cashier, right? But I just used self-service checked out. But you gotta walk past by cashier anyway, so actually it's nice to just, say thank you or say bye-bye to people. I did some snow work this morning, even though it doesn't look like it, but I did. I'm hungry. I have walked 4 kilometers. That doesn't feel like 4 at all, even though I'm trying to catch my breath right now. As you can see, it's already dark outside. The sun has set around 3:30 p.m. I just checked on the website. I will pop this somewhere so you can see. So the more we approach winter, there's going to be less and less daylight hours. And I can feel the effect of less daylight on me already. So yeah, that would be interesting to see how I am going to survive this darkness. So don't forget to come back, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the walk, snowy walk. I just made chicken soup, by the way, so I will enjoy my soup now. And I want to say thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you guys next week. Nähdään, moi moi!